Here's how I manage my take-home pay. Your take-home pay is the money you receive after all deductions and taxes. I divide my take-home pay into 4 categories. Number 1, fixed costs. I allocate 45 to 50% of my take-home pay to fixed costs. This includes rents, utilities, groceries, home bills, and any debt or loan repayments. These are expenses that are essential and predictable. Number 2, savings. I set aside 10 to 15% of my take-home pay for savings. This can be for anything like a future vacation, a high-value purchase, or planning for a child's education. Additionally, I allocate 5% of my savings to an emergency fund. While most people like to keep 3 to 6 months of their salary as an emergency fund, I prefer to be conservative and aim at 12 months of my salary. Number 3, investments. I invest 15 to 20% of my take-home pay. This goes into mutual funds, stocks, real estates, and gold. And over time, these investments grow and contribute to my rich life. And fourth, guilt-free spending. After covering fixed costs, savings, and investments, the rest is for guilt-free spending. I believe in enjoying the money I earn, whether it's an expensive lunch or a spontaneous purchase or surprising my wife. I want to enjoy life without feeling guilty. And I hope this intelligent spending plan helps you make smarter financial decisions and set you on the path to your rich life. And if you find value in this video, do like, share, and be sure to follow so you can stay in touch with my weekly Friday finance videos. Also, do check out the highlights. On my profile, I usually talk about dance, wellness, and finance. It's time for Saturday Salsa tomorrow. Peace.